Monetary policy. In this video, you will learn what is monetary policy, objectives of monetary policy, tools of monetary policy. So let's start this video. What is monetary policy? Monetary policy refers to an economic strategy aimed at controlling the size and growth rate of the money supply within an economy. It serves as a critical mechanism for regulating macroeconomic factors such as inflation and unemployment. This policy is implemented using tools like interest rate adjustments, the buying or selling of government securities, and modifications to the cash circulating in the economy. Typically, a central bank or similar regulatory authority is tasked with designing and implementing monetary policies. Objectives of monetary policy. Inflation. Monetary policy is often used to target inflation levels. While moderate inflation is beneficial for economic growth, excessive inflation can be controlled using contractionary policies. Unemployment. Expansionary monetary policies can help reduce unemployment by increasing the money supply, which stimulates business activity and job creation. Currency exchange rates. Central banks can influence exchange rates by adjusting the money supply. For example, increasing the money supply can lower the value of domestic currency relative to foreign currencies, impacting trade and investment. Tools of monetary policy. Central banks utilize several tools to achieve their monetary policy objectives, like interest rate adjustments. Central banks influence borrowing costs by changing the discount rate, the interest rate they charge commercial banks for short term loans. A higher discount rate rises borrowing costs across the economy, reducing the money supply, while a lower rate has the opposite effect. Reserve requirements. By altering the minimum reserves that commercial banks must hold, central banks can directly impact the money available for lending. Raising reserves requirements reduces the money supply, while lowering them increases it. To offset the opportunity cost for banks, central banks may pay interest on reserves. Open market operations. Central banks buy or sell government securities to manage liquidity. For example, purchasing government bonds injects money into the banking system, encouraging lending and increasing the money supply. Conclusion. Monetary policy is a key tool for maintaining economic stability by addressing inflation and unemployment. Expansionary policies are used to stimulate economic growth, while contradictionary policies are designed to curb inflation. To achieve optimal outcomes, monetary policy is often aligned with a country's fiscal policy. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.